have been earning money just from my everyday shopping, and if you want to earn money too, then keep watching. Hi, I'm Elena of Financialdemics, where I give you the tips and tools to manage your money, increase your savings and your income, and reduce your debt. And today we are going to be talking about the app that I have been using for about a year now to earn money while just doing my everyday shopping. Well, actually I'm earning points, but those points turn into gift cards, and gift cards mean that I don't have to spend my own money, so I'm earning money. So I have been using Fetch Rewards for about a year, and I will tell you, initially when I started using it, I wasn't using it consistently, but in the last few months I have started using it with every single receipt that I receive, and it has allowed me to earn points in which I can redeem for gift cards. So let's talk about what Fetch Rewards is. Fetch Rewards is a free app that's available on iOS and Android that allows you to scan grocery store, gas station, and restaurant receipts in exchange for points. They also allow you to earn points on your digital receipts also. So you know those Amazon purchases, you get points for that too. The app also allows you to earn points for purchasing certain brand name products, and those products change weekly, but with those points you normally get like an extra amount of points, so I kind of call those bonus points. Some of those brands include like Dove, Kotex, Huggies, Scott's toilet paper, and even Kleenex, just to name a few. But I've seen so many other brands that they have actually had the extra bonus points for. And I will tell you, I am not a person who usually checks for those bonus points before I shop, because for me that's just really too much work. But I do appreciate when I do happen to shop and it's bonus point weeks for one of the items that I've picked up, and I get those extra points. Now let's talk about the points, because we know, that's the important thing, right? We want to know how many points do you need for this money, right? So 1,000 points equals $1. So I actually have linked down below my code if you want to register for Fetch Rewards. It'll allow you to receive at the very least 2,000 free points, which is $2. And then I also get points because you actually signed up. Now, one thing when it comes to these receipts that I learned very quickly, because I had never looked up Fetch Rewards before I actually signed up, I could truly say like my father sent me the link and was like, hey, sign up for Fetch Rewards. So once I kind of looked into it, I was like, okay, I'm going to sign up. It's free points for free gift cards. I'll do it. But your receipts can only be 14 days old. So what I will say, if you have some receipts that you just recently went shopping and you're signing up now, go ahead and scan those receipts. When I first signed up, as I mentioned before, I wasn't really scanning all of my receipts, and sometimes I remember like on day 15 not even thinking about it, and it would tell me like your receipt is over 14 days old, so I didn't get points for that purchase. Now I'm real quick to gather my receipts on the day I went shopping or the next day and make sure that I scan them so that I can get these free points. Now typically I receive about 25 points per receipt, if that's what they're doing at the time. Sometimes they'll give you 50 points per receipt. And then again, if you purchase certain things that are on that brand's list for the week, then you get the extra point. So let's go over to the app and we'll talk about what you can do in the app. Signing up is easy, so I'm not going to exactly tell you how to sign up. If you want me to do a quick video on how to sign up, let me know in the comments below and I will create that video for you. But it's pretty simple to sign up. You normally can sign up either linking your like Facebook or Google, or just signing up with your email account. Okay, so now we are actually in the app. So you can see that at the top, you can actually search for the brand or a product or even a category if you actually want to search for items and add them to your list before you actually go shopping. Again, I told you I don't really use that feature. But as you can see, some of the brands that they are giving extra points on are like Dove, Tresemme, Pine Sol. You can get it on this Red Gold Terraccio. I don't know, I might be saying that wrong. Tomato sauce, clearly I don't use it. Some ketchup, Dove sanitizer and hand wash, even some items for your dogs and cats. Even if you go to Jersey Mike's, so that's why I said restaurants are involved. Kotex, Bear Aspirin. Even if you are a drinker, you like beers, they have some beers on here. So you see, you can get extra points for a lot of different things. So this is on the Discover page. On the Activity tab, it actually shows like the recent receipts that you've actually scanned and how many points you've received. So like I went to the store the other day, I got 25 points. For that, I went to BJ's, I got 92 points, which means that I have something on there that I purchased that had extra points. And then they had a special running where you were getting like extra points for just scanning a receipt, and it was actually sponsored by a brand. So that's why I have 50 points on these other particular grocery store runs. So you can see my tracking of my points here and what I've earned. You can see when I'm not really into it and when I am. So I've been into it, seems like every other month. Sometimes we're not shopping as much though, so I'm not scanning. And then sometimes trying to get the receipts from my husband when he goes, that's a struggle. So that's why sometimes my points are low. But as you can see, it tells how much I've spent this year, where I've spent my money, and the points that I've received. So you see in 2020, I really wasn't into it that much, and we're already 6 months in the year and I have more points than what I gained in 2020. If you click on the middle button, then this is where you go to scan your receipt. If you're clicking snap, that means you have this receipt physically in hand. And if I have the video, I'll link a video of me scanning the actual receipt so you can see how we do that. Basically, when you scan the receipt, it's looking for the store, the date, and the amount you spent, and then it's also looking at what you bought, and that's how it's picking up whether or not you bought something that's in the bonus category. And so that's how you scan there. With the e-receipt, the e-receipt actually checks your email. So I had already linked my email here. I actually have recently bought something from Amazon, so let's see if I get some points from it as it's going. But it checks your email to see if there are any receipts in your email that you can gain points for, and then you gain points for that also. Another cool thing that I realized recently is that it also gives you points for like your Apple subscription. So in my family, everybody has extra storage, and we have an actual Apple Music, and so every month we have a family plan, so all of those charges are hitting one card for all of the kids and my husband and I, and then we get points for that. So as you can see, I've spent $39.18 at apple.com. One of those is a business expense, though, I will say that. And so I got 25 points off of an e-receipt for that. So that's another thing that you can get points for. I also got points for Amazon, Apple again, because those are all those charges coming through. Amazon again. This might be a little embarrassing, but y'all, I'm telling you, I'll explain later. It's actual needs. Apple again, that is storage. Apple again, that was an actual product that I used for business that I purchased. Apple again, this is storage again for one of the kids. And then Amazon again, and I'm not sure which one this one. Oh yes, it is. It's something I bought back in May, but it didn't ship to this month. Okay, so as you can see, I got points for all of my e-receipts. If we go to the next tab here at the bottom, this is where you get all of your rewards. So as you can see, points up to 3K is a $3 item, which is why it's like 1,000 points equals $1. But you can see the different things that you can do. So this is if you want to donate your points here. So these are different charities that you can donate your points to. So if you're really big in philanthropy and giving to others, then that's a great way that you can do that. You see that you can get like a $3 gift card for Amazon, which clearly we need purchase points here. And so I have not redeemed any rewards yet. I probably should redeem one on here just so you all can see it. So, oh, they even have a category for pets, so all the pet lovers, you can redeem your points for that. So let's try to redeem some points. We're just going to do Amazon because clearly we're going to go here. It's telling us that it's 3,500 points to get $3 in rewards, which I'm feeling some type of way about, but whatever. It says that we could use it towards books, electronics, music, and more. It asks you to confirm it. I'm going to click redeem, and it basically says the reward is on its way, and you can see it in your rewards. The last tab gives like your information, like phone number, email address, allows you to make changes, shows you other ways that you can get rewards and notifications and things like that. I'm not going to show that because I just don't feel like going through the effort of blurring out my contact information. But just know that's all your stuff. That's why I say me. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you use Fetch Rewards. So as I said, I really enjoy using Fetch Rewards. It's fun being able to get points that you can redeem for gift cards, and you're just doing your regular shopping. You're not out here having to make a list and make sure it's on there, even though they do give you that feature. As I said, that's too much work. You can get your little 25 points and you can use that for any of those gift cards that are available in the rewards section. If you are interested in signing up for Fetch Rewards, please click my link below. You'll receive 2,000 points and I will receive 2,000 too. And then they're always offering different reward programs to get your friends and family to sign up. So it's another way for you to get extra points when you get your friends and family to sign up, because granted, all they have to do is scan their receipts. They don't really have to do a lot, you know? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in learning about the other apps that I use while I actually shop, then go ahead and check out this video right here where I talk about 5 apps I use to save money by shopping.